In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Cash App to Bitcoin. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access the Bitcoin functionalities within Cash App and how to transfer any amount of Bitcoin that you have to an external wallet. You will be able to send and receive Bitcoin directly through Cash App. This option can be found among all of the options on the home screen of Cash App. So all that you have to do is scroll down from your Money tab and you will see cash balance, savings, free tax fill-in, and eventually you might be able to find Bitcoin. If you do not see this option, you will not be able to access the Bitcoin functionalities within Cash App. But if you see it here, all that you have to do is tap on Bitcoin and you will find all the main options. So you can see the price of Bitcoin, how it is valued inside of Cash App, and you can see the graph. Now, all that you have to do is to either choose buy, sell, or choose the send icon. By buying it, you will be able to place a buy order at an exact price, and then you will receive your Bitcoin inside of Cash App. By choosing sell, you will be able to create a sell order and receive balance for the amount of Bitcoin that you put up on the market, and you will be able to see your amount of Bitcoin at the top alongside your address by choosing the send option. So when you choose the send option, you will be able to receive Bitcoin on Cash App from other wallets and exchanges by copying the wallet address. So you can copy this Bitcoin network address and you will be able to send Bitcoin directly to Cash App. If you would like to send this elsewhere, you will then be able to choose the send Bitcoin option, specify the amount, and then you will be able to get this process started. So when you get to this window where you have to input a wallet address or a contact name, you just have to paste your external wallet address. This can be from any service, so Binance, Bitcoin, Exchange, and so on. There are a lot of wallets to choose from, and in this video, I'm not going to go over too much detail about how to set up an external wallet. Once you choose the amount and you paste the external wallet address, you will be able to choose the withdrawal speed between priority, rush, or standard, and each of these are going to have their own fees attributed to them and their own period that you have to wait, and you can confirm the withdrawal to an external wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Cash App to Bitcoin. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.